Okay, so here we have a problem of a triangle that we need to solve for side length u and side length v. So I would notice that here we know an angle and its opposite side length, and we have the angle opposite the u side length that we're looking for. So let's use the sine law. So the sine law says that the sine of angle A over side length A is equal to the sine of angle B over side length B, where little a and big A are opposite angles and side lengths. So let's use this formula in the case of our triangle and plug in that sine of, let's plug in the U angle is 56 degrees divided by the U side length, because we need to use the opposite side length, so we'll plug in U there, is equal to sine of, we can use either angle in this triangle, but since we know the 71 already, let's use that one, 71 degrees over the opposite angle, the opposite side length from that angle, which would be 17. So now we need to solve for u. Let's start by cross multiplying on both sides to get 17 sine of 56 degrees is equal to u sine of 71 degrees. And then to finish solving for u, we need to divide both sides by sine of 71 degrees. So this cancels out and we get u is equal to 17 times sine of 56 degrees divided by sine of 71 degrees. So let's make sure that our calculator is in degrees and plug all this in. So 17 times sine of 56 divided by sine of 71. I get that in a decimal to be equal to 14.9, rounding to the nearest tenth. So that makes u is equal to 14.9, whatever unit it's not shown. And so then we can do the same thing to find v, but first we need to find this angle v. We can use the rule that the sum of the angles inside a triangle is equal to 180. So we can do 180 minus 71 minus 56, and that gives us this angle is 53 degrees. And then plugging this in similarly, we get sine of 53 degrees over v is equal to sine of 71 degrees over 17. So then multiplying both sides again is 17 sine of 53 degrees is equal to v sine 71 degrees, and divide both sides by sine of 71 to get v is equal to 17 times sine of 53 degrees divided by sine of 71 degrees. And I get that to equal 17 times sine of 53 divided by sine of 71 is equal to, rounding to the nearest tenth, I get that to be 14.4. So my v side length would be 14.4. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to my channel and share with anyone who you think might also find it useful. Thanks.